Right, this is how this works, right? It's called a flood and drain system. You've got this bucket down here with a pump in it. There's a pump there. And it pumps the water out of this tube along here and out of all these. Then it drains, fills it up, hitting on all the roots. And then it drains through a hole with a pipe coming out of it into this drainage system here. There, water just runs out them pipes down there. And then just comes out the end here. And then just circulates on itself. And then we've got this one up here. There's a pump coming out there. A barrel. And you got it going up this tube here. Filling into these and splurting water into each one. And then there's the results. And then it comes down the end of these on a slant. It goes into this drainage system here. It comes down, runs off into there, back into there, through the pump, and then back up there, and it just circulates on itself. You end up with all these products like this.